Setting up the Optigo Traffic Capture Driver for supervisor upload mode is for Niagara stations that don't have a direct internet connection and can't upload capture files directly to Optigo VN on their own. In this mode, a supervisor acts as the intermediary. The station captures traffic locally and holds the files, while the supervisor checks in, collects the captured files, and uploads them to your Optigo VN account on the station's behalf. Configuration is almost identical to configuring the capture driver for a connected workstation. The first step after downloading the jar file is to edit the name and remove the version code. Next, copy the file into your Niagara modules folder. The default path is highlighted on screen. Once that's done, restart the Niagara service and the Niagara Workbench application and install the components to the supervisor. From the expanded nav menu, double-click Station and log in if you need to. Once loaded, click the Find icon in the palette window and type Optigo to find the Optigo Capture module. Back in the nav window, find the supervisor port you want to capture from, in our case IP port, and drag the Optigo Capture port file from the palette to the property sheet to install. Set Enabled to True. You can see the capture is enabled and receiving data. The final step is to add the capture service, so captures are automatically sent on to your Optigo VN account for diagnostics. Under the Config option in the navigation window, select the Services dropdown. Drag the Optigo Packets Capture Service file from the palette window into the Service Manager and click OK to install. To configure the caption service, select the Services dropdown from the target in the nav window and double-click the Optigo Packet Capture Service file to open the property sheet. Start by toggling Enabled to True. The server URL should be pre-populated and server validation should read server reachable if you have an active internet connection. We've changed the server in this video to a demo, but app.optigovn should be the default. Next, add your API key from the target Optigo VN monitoring node. Information on how to get your API is available on our support page and linked in the guide. You can now test your connection by toggling the capture to start, and you should shortly start to see capture reflected in the current size and packet count lines. Additional configuration settings, including setting min-max file sizes, packet counts, and more, see our support guide. Toggling capture to stop will end your capture session. Once the capture is stopped, the file will automatically be uploaded to your OVN account by the supervisor. That's it for manual captures, but if you want to set up a capture schedule, we'll include the chapter from our workstation video here for you to follow along. To set up a capture schedule, start by selecting Schedule from the palette dropdown. Select Boolean Schedule and drag it to the main window. Right-click the schedule file and select Link Mark. Right-click the module name at the top of the property sheet and select Link from Boolean Schedule. Select Out from the Boolean Schedule source list and connect that to the Capture option and hit OK. You can now double-click the Boolean Schedule module in the property sheet, build the schedule to your needs, and hit Save when you're done. Now, once capture is stopped, the file will automatically be uploaded to your Optigo VN account. And that's it. You've connected your OT network to some of the most powerful diagnostic tools in the industry for monitoring troubleshooting directly from your Niagara devices. Additional resources are available through our support portal at optigo.net.